1. Did you know the fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon, which can reach speeds of over 380 kilometers per hour when diving for prey? 2. Did you know the smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird, which is only 5 centimeters long and weighs about 1.8 grams, lighter than a penny? 3. Did you know modern birds are direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs, like Velociraptor? 4. Did you know there was a bird called the carrier pigeon that was used to send important messages during World Wars I and II, saving many soldiers? 5. Did you know the African gray parrot casco is one of the most intelligent birds and can learn up to hundreds of words and even understand the meaning of some of them? 6. Did you know the male emperor penguin holds the egg on its feet for about 65 days and takes care of it in the minus 60 degrees Celsius of Antarctica, while the female goes to sea to find food? 7. Did you know the hummingbird can fly backwards and also stay in the air? This ability is unique in the bird world. 8. Did you know the ostrich is the largest bird in the world, reaching up to 2.7 meters tall and weighing 156 kilograms, and its eyes are larger than its brain? 9. Did you know some birds, such as the forest magpie, can use tools? They use cactus spines to pull insects out of holes in wood. 10. Did you know flamingos are naturally white or gray, and their pink color is due to their consumption of shrimp and algae containing carotenoid pigments? 11. Did you know owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees? This ability is due to the special structure of the vertebrae and blood vessels in their necks, which prevents blood flow from being cut off. 12. Did you know Arctic terns have the longest annual migration? They fly approximately 71,000 kilometers from the North Pole to the South Pole and back every year. 13. Did you know the hoopoe is the national bird of Israel and also a symbol of wisdom in ancient Iranian culture? 14. Did you know some birds, such as the albatross, can spend years flying over the oceans without setting foot on the ground? They even sleep while flying. 15. Did you know crows have an incredibly strong memory and can remember human faces and even pass this information on to their next generation?